New in version 23 is Relax Nest. When we auto nest, we always nest to a reference. In this case, it's top left, so you can see my parts are nested top left, and then all of the parts nested in that internal are crammed to the top left of the internal. So we've introduced Relax Nest, and the options here are to apply Relax Nest to your current sheet only, or if you choose, you can do all sheets. We'll include the last sheet if the utilization is greater than this percentage. You can define a time per layout and a rotational tolerance. That tolerance is just how much will deviate from the defined tolerances in part parameters, so it should be a small value. So I'll speed this up just a little, and if you watch the results when we're done here, we take and space those parts out that are in the internals to create more space between parts and reduce some of that heat buildup.